Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is March 14th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower this morning by about 7 points. Right now, the futures are sitting at 23.68 per contract. You can see that the futures really have been sinking really right around 4 o'clock in the morning, and now we are basically just a little bit off the lows of the session. So we'll see how today plays out. Now, today is expected to be a little bit on the lighter volume side simply because we have a big snowstorm in the northeast part of the United States. So again, that's where a lot of traders are situated in New York and Connecticut and Boston. And again, the northeast is going to get pounded with a nor'easter today. So we'll see how that plays out. See if it does hurt volume. Yesterday we had extremely light volume, and we'll see where we go today. Either way, we have lots of stocks in the news. Let's take a look at what we have here first. We're going to talk about VRX, which is Valiant Pharmaceuticals, and it looks like Bill Ackman has cut his losses. He did exit his position. He was a very, very large shareholder in the company. The stock has completely gone against him, and he decided to cut his losses. He is out of the position now. Stock right now is trading at $10.83, closed at $12.11. So I don't know if this is the end of the stock going down, but very, very often when a big whale capitulates like that, it very well could be. So we're going to keep this on the radar today. We'll look and see how it finishes out, and we'll take it from there. But this stock at one point was a $263 stock, now sitting at $10.82 this morning. So again, we'll see how it plays out. I'm not looking to do anything with it at the moment. Let's take a look at DSW. Looks like they reported earnings. Stock right now is trading at $20. It closed at $19.83. It did trade up to $20.50. Now coming in a little bit. Again, I'm not seeing all that much here. If we do take out the lows, we'll have to look all the way down to around $18. That's the first real support level that I'm seeing here. So be a little bit careful here with DSW. It is really not doing all that much or telling us all that much, but I don't really see a support level till you get to around $18 today. Once it gets there, there could be a little bit of a scalp play, and then this thing could actually go lower. So be careful here. DSW coming back in. Stock is basically flat from yesterday's close. Now, during the week of options expiration, we would normally get a lot of upgrades and downgrades. It looks like Disney today was downgraded. Stock, though, is trading at $111.65, closed at $111.52. But Disney could be a volatile play today. I'll have levels for us if we need it in the intraday stock chat room. Right off the bat, if we did start to see this stock fall, the 108 level looks very, very good for a day trade support area today. So keep that on the radar, and we'll see how that plays out. Looks like we have another downgrade. Corning, GLW is the ticker symbol here, the glass maker. Right now, that stock doesn't have a lot of volume behind it, but it is trading at $27. I like $25.85. If it gets down to $25.85, there should be a play there for Corning. So keep that on the radar. Let's take a look at Tilly's. Ticker symbol TLYS is there. This stock is getting hammered today. Closed at $10.04. Now trading at $8.63. It's a single-digit name. Also a light volume stock, meaning rarely does it trade 1 million shares a day. I went ahead and did a little math on it today. Looks like we have support around $7.85, $7.80. But be a little bit careful if you want to try that because it can overshoot. It is what we call a light volume equity. So again, it could overshoot a little bit, but I am seeing support around $7.85 today. Let's take a look here at MGI. It looks like good old MoneyGram is being bought out. Looks like they're being acquired for $15.20 a share by Euronet Worldwide. So this is a takeover. If you own it, congratulations. If you don't own it, there's nothing to do here. So leave it alone. Don't do anything at this stage of the game. It looks like MoneyGram is being acquired for $15.20 a share. It's actually a little bit above that level now. But if you own it, congratulations. Trail your stop loss or take your profits. Choice is yours. Congratulations, though. Let's take a look here at YY. It looks like YY Inc. is trading at $50.15. Looks like they reported earnings. Stock closed at $48.80, so this is a pretty good uptick. You could see yesterday The stock really made a move. It's holding up pretty well today. Again, if it does happen to get to around $55, I think you have huge resistance there, potential short candidate or fade candidate at that level. Again, nothing to do yet, but we'll see if it can go higher today. But it gets to $55. That should be all she wrote for that name. Let's take a look here at the gold market, gold futures, trading up about 40 cents today, sitting at 1203.60, $1,203.60. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that sitting at 114.64, basically flat from yesterday's close. Looking over at the oil market, crude oil getting hit today, trading down 70 cents to $47.70 a barrel. When you look at crude oil, you have to look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, and that is trading at $10.15 at the moment. So good little sell-off there in crude. Crude continues to be under pressure, and we'll see how this plays out going forward. But this is a pretty good decline for crude. Again, I've given out my crude levels. If you want those levels, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We had another decent day yesterday, even though it was a slow motion market. And we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. With that being said, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. Have a great trading day. Come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see what it's all about, and we will see you on the charts.